One.
Hello everyone, I want to talk to you about my Sun Peacock, which is a companion piece to the Midnight Peacock. I was very pleased with the way that one came out, and I thought he needed a companion or even a rival. They do seem to be trying to outdo each other somewhat. This one again, I made the Marini first, which I then incorporate into the triangles, which become the eyes for the tail. In a case like this, these do all have to fit, so they're all bespoke. So I numbered the rows A, B, C, and then 1, 2, 3, and so on, so that they eventually all fit. So it's not just random as you may have thought. I particularly like the radiation of this one. You feel the warmth coming from him. And what amazes me is the difference in look between these two pieces, which are essentially the same design, just flipped. It's interesting, isn't it? That's it.